My name is Tom. I am 45 years old. I live in a lighthouse. It is on a small island. The island is far from the city. I am the lighthouse keeper. This is my story. Every day, I wake up very early. My alarm rings at 4:30 in the morning. It is always dark outside. I don't want to get up, but I have to. My job is very important. I get out of bed. The floor is cold. I put on my slippers. They are old and soft. I walk to the kitchen. It is small, but I like it. I make coffee. The smell is good. It helps me wake up. I look out the window. I can't see much. It is still dark, but I can hear the sea. The waves are always there. They never stop. I drink my coffee and eat some bread. It is quiet and peaceful. At 5 o'clock, I start my work. I climb the stairs to the top of the lighthouse. There are many stairs. I count them every day. There are 100 stairs. When I get to the top, I am a little tired. But the view is amazing. I check the big light. It is very important. Ships need this light to stay safe. I clean the glass. I make sure everything works well. I write in my book. I write about the weather and what I see. The best part of my day is the sunrise. Every morning it's different. Sometimes it's very red. Other times it's orange or pink. It's always beautiful. I watch the sun come up. It starts slow. First, there's a little light. Then, more and more. The sky changes color. The sea looks different, too. It's like the whole world is waking up. I see birds. They fly over the water. They make noise. I hear them every day. I also see boats. They are far away. The fishermen are going to work. They need to catch fish. I think about the city. It's very far from here. People there are just waking up. They are getting ready for work. But here, on my island, the day has already started. After the sunrise, I have many things to do. I check everything in the lighthouse. I look at all the machines. They need to work well. If something is broken, I fix it. I clean a lot. The lighthouse must be very clean. I wash the windows. I sweep the floors. I make sure everything looks good. I also check the weather. I look at the sky. I feel the wind. I write about the weather in my book. This is important for the ships. Sometimes I paint. The lighthouse is white and red. I need to keep it looking nice. The paint helps protect the lighthouse from the weather. I also take care of the plants on the island. There are not many, but they need water and care. I like to see them grow. In the afternoon, I have lunch. I make simple food. Sometimes it's fish. I catch the fish myself. Other times, it's soup or sandwiches. I eat outside if the weather is good. I like to feel the sun and the wind. After lunch, I read books. I have many books in the lighthouse. I like to learn new things. I read about history, science, and other places in the world. I also write letters. I write to my family and friends. They live far away. I tell them about my life in the lighthouse. I tell them about the sea and the sky. They like to hear my stories. Sometimes I see boats come close to the island. They are tourists. They want to see the lighthouse. I wave to them. They wave back. But they can't come to the island. It's not safe. As the day goes on, I watch the sun go down. This is called sunset. It's beautiful, just like sunrise. The sky turns orange and red again. The sea looks like it's on fire. I turn on the big light in the lighthouse. This light will shine all night. It will help ships stay safe. I make sure it's working well. I have dinner. I like to eat fish or vegetables. I grow some vegetables on the island. They taste very good. After dinner, I sit outside. I look at the stars. There are many stars here. You can't see them in the city. I listen to the radio. It gives me news from the world. I hear about things happening far away. It makes me feel less alone. At night, I check the light again. I make sure it's still working. Ships need it all night. I look at the sea. Sometimes I see lights far away. They are ships passing by. Before I go to bed, I write in my diary. I write about what happened today. I write about the weather, the sea, and how I feel. It's nice to remember each day. I go to bed around 10 o'clock at night. My bed is warm and soft. I can hear the waves. They help me sleep. I think about tomorrow. It will be another day in the lighthouse. Most days are the same. But sometimes, things are different. Sometimes, there are big storms. The wind is very strong. The waves are very big. I have to be very careful. I make sure the light is always on. Ships need it even more in bad weather. Other times, I get visitors. They come on a boat. They bring food and letters. They check the lighthouse. They make sure everything is okay. I like when they come. I can talk to other people. Once a year, I leave the island. I go to the city. I see my family and friends. I buy things I need. But I'm always happy to come back to my lighthouse. People ask me if I get lonely. They think living alone on an island is hard. But I don't feel lonely. I have the sea, the sky, and the lighthouse. They are my friends. I love my job because it's important. I help keep people safe. When ships see my light, they know where they are. They don't hit the rocks. They can find their way home. I also love the peace. In the city, everything is busy. Here, things are quiet. I can think. I can enjoy nature. I see beautiful things every day. Sometimes, I think about the people who built this lighthouse. They did it many years ago. They worked hard. Now, I take care of their work. It makes me proud. My lighthouse is very old. It was built 200 years ago. Many people have lived here before me. They all did the same job. They all watched the same sea. The lighthouse has seen many things. It has seen big storms and calm days. It has seen wars and peace. It has seen old ships and new ships. It has always been here, showing the way. I like to think about all the lives this lighthouse has saved, all the ships that found their way because of this light, all the families that were happy because their loved ones came home safe. The lighthouse is strong. It's made of stone. It has stood against many storms. But it needs care. That's why I'm here. I keep it strong. I keep it shining. Living in the lighthouse, I learn many things. I learn about the sea. I know when a storm is coming. I can tell by the color of the sky and the smell of the air. I learn about birds and fish. I see them every day. I know their habits. I know when they come and go with the seasons. I also learn about myself. I learn to be patient. I learn to enjoy small things. I learn to be alone, but not lonely. Every day, I try to learn something new. I read my books. I listen to the radio. I watch nature. There is always something to learn. Sometimes, I think about the future. Will there always be lighthouse keepers? Many lighthouses now work by themselves. They don't need people to live there. But I think my job is still important. Machines can break. They need people to check them. And there's something special about having a person in the lighthouse. I can see things a machine can't see. I hope there will always be lighthouse keepers. I hope there will always be people who love the sea and want to help others. Now, it's late. I've told you about my day, about my life in the lighthouse. It's a simple life, but I love it. I'm going to bed now. Tomorrow will be another day. The sun will rise again. The light will shine again. And I will be here, keeping watch. Good night from the lighthouse. May you always find your way home.